Okay guys, Shabir's back in the garage with us.
Hey guys, Nick.
Boom, fist bump every time, right?
Absolutely.
It's the rock. We're gonna get a little gourmet now. It's a super simple preparation. Some of you guys might freak out a little bit, but we're just gonna do a beef carpaccio. Shabir's gonna do one, I'm gonna do one, and then we're gonna garnish them up. I'll do my way, and you can garnish it however you want. And then we'll leave you guys to garnish it how you'd like. So, hold tight. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna cut it, pound it, and plate it. All right guys, so we'll take a look at our meat. I prefer to do this with tenderloin, but I had some strips on hand. So I'm just gonna cut this one in half. And if you didn't know better, you might think that was a little petite filet, right? Maybe, but I know better. So I'm just gonna cut this end off and then cut off the fat, a little bit of the fat cap there, that little membrane, and then just try to round it off a little bit. All right, go ahead and throw those knives off to the side. I'm gonna set mine. Now when you guys pound things down, always focus on, like with this table, I don't wanna pound in the middle. I'm gonna pound over the top of the leg where it shoots straight down to the ground. So I'm gonna set mine up there. I've got some plastic wrap on the table already. Just gonna cover that. So one, maybe just give it one more over here. And then this here, I like this style of tenderizer because you got the flat side and the kind of spiky side. What would you call it? Spiky? So we're gonna stick with the flat side now. And then I'm just gonna there you go, bud. So that's starting to break apart. I'm gonna call that thin enough for me, okay? Thin enough, nice and thin. So maybe it's about, I don't know, 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch, somewhere in there.
Sounds about right.
Go ahead and pound away.
All right.
Okay, all right, Shabir, do you wanna grab the plates out of the freezer?
Freezer, got it.
I put mine in there while we were pounding Shabir's, and then we also put Shabir's plate in there to chill that down.
Got it.
And that's another good idea, just to keep things cold, all right? And if you want to step it up even another notch, you can serve it with a chilled fork. But we're not that gourmet, are we?
Get our hands.
And then the color's a little bit off. You know, if you can get a nice fresh piece of meat with that tenderloin, it'll stay nice and round, super thin, bright red. That's ideal. But we're kind of like the second class, right? We're middle
ninjas,
class.
we improvise.
We're ninjas, we improvise. I like that. That's what we're going with. So from here, we'll just use, I've got some hearts of palm. I was thinking I could use that for mine. And then capers are kind of a traditional thing to put on the top. We got some horseradish. Maybe if you went that route, then we probably wouldn't go this route. So you could go horseradish and mayo on top. That'd be pretty good.
Yeah.
Fresh black pepper. So let me just grab my knife here. And then I'm gonna give a couple of slices. You always want to focus on odd numbers, you guys, when you're doing things. Odd numbers, so it's not symmetrical, right? Anchovy fillet. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I could do a couple. Oh, look at this guy.
All right.
Holy, beautiful. I like it. This is looking good to me. We'll get these anchovies put away. Heart of palm right here. I got a little cilantro here. Parsley would be kind of a traditional garnish. I don't have any parsley right now, so we're just gonna make this work. Okay, I'm gonna go with a little olive oil.
Yeah.
And that's it. Serve it up.
That's good.
You like it?
Absolutely.
We'll dig in, but yeah, you guys, something kind of a little bit different. Traditional beef carpaccio, and then maybe they're not. Maybe we stick with
non-traditional.
Non-traditional. Hearts of palm. Shabu's going with the classic creamy horseradish kind of.
With anchovy.
Anchovy.
Classic.
Like that.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. So paleo beef carpaccio, 2 ways. Again, it's an appetizer or a dinner for 2 with me and Shabu. And we're just doing what we can to help you guys keep it paleo.